Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering the phone off and ejecting the SIM tray. This prevents short circuits and gives you access. Once done, heat the lower edge for 45-60 seconds to soften adhesive, then place a suction cup and insert a thin pick to create a small 1-2 mm gap. You should work slowly around the contour to avoid bending the frame. Make sure to keep screws separated by size in a container so reassembly is straightforward. You now remove the mid-frame screws and peel off the protective shields. This exposes the battery and display connectors. Once exposed, disconnect the battery first to avoid accidental shorts, and then detach the display flex cables. This prevents damage to the connectors during lifting. After disconnecting, gently pry up the camera and sensor flexes that may stick to the screen. Use a plastic tool to separate the old panel from adhesive, so you can fully remove the display without stressing the motherboard. You connect the new panel temporarily to test touch, colors, and digitizer response. Powering on briefly confirms functionality before permanent sealing. Once verified, apply new adhesive strips evenly around the frame, reconnect the display and battery connectors, and replace the mid-frame and screws in their original positions. Make sure to press the screen edges to bond the adhesive. If touch or display issues occur, reseat the flex cables. Clean.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.